The world of truck driving can be complex. Between managing schedules, ensuring safe deliveries, and navigating countless miles, the last thing you need to worry about is how you structure your business. But did you know choosing the right business entity can impact your financial success? This is where S corporations, commonly known as S Corp, come into play. Before we go over what those are, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. An S Corp is a type of corporation that comes with distinct tax advantages. For instance, unlike traditional corporations, it avoids double taxation. In the United States, approximately 4.6 million S Corp were registered as of last year. That's 17% of all businesses. Why? Because instead of paying corporate taxes plus personal taxes on profits, an S Corp pays only once. Here's how it works. In an S Corp, profits or losses are passed directly to the shareholders. They then report it on their personal tax returns. This is what we mean by avoiding double taxation. But for truck drivers, the benefits do not stop at taxes. As an owner-operator, establishing yourself as an S Corp could allow you to pay yourself a reasonable salary. That salary is subject to self-employment tax, but any additional profits beyond the salary can be classified as distributions, which are not subject to self-employment tax. In 2022, the self-employment tax was 15.3%. Can you imagine saving a significant portion of that? There's more. With an S Corp, you can enjoy the personal liability protection offered to corporations. This means your personal assets could be protected in case of legal issues or debts. So, for many truck drivers, becoming an S Corp offers tangible benefits: reduced tax burden, potential salary structure benefits, and increased liability protection. To register as an S Corp today, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the advantages of having an S Corp? Which is your favorite benefit? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.